and welcome back to Harbourside Stables. Today I'm going to open the Schleich Farm World goat set, and look how beautiful the box looks. But yeah, let's get into it. Ooh, so this is all the things it came with. Let's dump it out. Well, that was an overflow. Okay, I'm going to start off with this mystery blind bag. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I'm going to take it over here. So in the first mystery blind bag, we got a door handle, some lettuce, carrots, and some ropes. I wonder what they're for. Maybe a rope swing. So yeah, let's open this mystery blind bag. So starting off in that blind bag, we got this cute little goat. I think I might call it Belle for like Christmas bells. Oh my god, it's so cute and tiny. Can everybody just put a love heart in the comments if you love how cute it is? Then we also got this goat. Maybe it could be the mum to Belle, and we could call it Ivy. Oh my god, that'd be so cute. So together they're very cute. And I feel like I should start building all of these. So I'll see you in a minute. So this is how it came out while it was done getting built. So it has a little swing over here with a little goat picture. It has a, what's it called? Seesaw, there's the word. And then over here we have some gates to stop them from running out, and we also have Ivy just walking around. Then we have Belle on the wooden bridge. Then we have some food in a bowl that it came with. And yeah, that's how it looked when it was set up. If you want to me to show you where they're going to be living, it is here. Oh. Hopefully they'll get on with the other goats. And if you want to see me setting up all of the goat enclosure, go to see part 2. Okay, bye!